Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll discuss some of the ways to make your Facebook account more secure than before. So without further delay, let's get started. In the first method, we'll see how to lock your Facebook account. So for that, head over to Facebook and click on the hamburger option. Go to settings, scroll down to profile locking. Click on lock your profile. In this way you can lock your profile. Here you can see your profile is locked. So again go to settings, scroll down to profile information. Here you can hide your private information by clicking on it like this. Whomever you want to share your information with, you can select that thing. Like I'm selecting here only. After that, click on save option. Click on how people find and contact you. Here you can customize everything, like who can send you friend requests. Select the option you like. In the second option, choose who can see your friend list. Like if you don't want to show it to anyone, then click on only me. In the third option, if you don't want anyone to find you with the provided email address, then click on only me. Fourth option goes the same. You can do everything here. If you want search engines to find you, then enable this option. Otherwise, you can also disable it. You can do the same settings with posts, stories and reels, like whom you want to show your post. If you want to show post to your friends, click on it. Or if you want to go with custom friends, then click on friends accept or specific friends. For that, you can create a friend list. To know how you can create a friend list, we have already made a video on that. So go and watch that video. Apart from this, you can do all these settings. You can do the same with stories. Select your audience here. If you don't want your friends to share your reels, then click on no. So these were the settings which can make your profile more private and secure. You can do the same with stories. You can select here like story privacy. Here you can select who can see your story or all that things. Now click on followers and public content. Here you can make the desired changes, like changing your audience to friends. Here you can select who can view your pages and friend list. Select the desired option. Under this you can select who can comment on your post, like from public to friends. You can change it. If you want to enable public post notifications, then you can enable it or disable it from here. Close this and let us move to the next part, which is off Facebook activity. Click on off Facebook activity. Here you can see the apps and websites that has shared your information with Facebook. Click on view and manage activity and enter your password. You can turn off this by clicking on turn off option. You can also click on clear history to delete past activities. In order to delete the future activities, you need to click on the three dot option at the top. Click on manage future activity. Once again, click on Manage Future Activity. Turn off the Future of Facebook activity by clicking on it. Once again, click on Turn Off. Here you can see your future of Facebook activity has been turned off. In this way, you can turn off the past and future Facebook activity. To make the Facebook account more secure, we will now try turning on the two-step verification. Click on Password and Security and scroll down to Use Two-Factor Authentication. Click on Continue after selecting one of the options. Now you have to scan this code to the app which is mentioned in the bracket and enter the code here. After this, two-step authentication will get enabled on your Facebook account. For extra security, click on Get Alerts about Unrecognized Logins. Select the one where you want to receive the notification and enable it by clicking on the Save option. In this way, you can make your Facebook account more secure than before. These were the methods through which you can do this. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.